Teacher Ahmed, a passionate educator, embarked on a mission to enhance his students' English language skills using Edpuzzle. With a diverse classroom of students eager to learn, he saw an opportunity to engage them in a new and interactive way. Ahmed curated a series of captivating English language videos on Edpuzzle, embedding quizzes and discussion prompts to reinforce key concepts. Each week, his students would watch these videos at home, answering questions and taking notes along the way. In class, the atmosphere buzzed with excitement as students discussed their insights and challenged each other on the video content. Ahmed used the analytics provided by Edpuzzle to identify areas where students needed more support, tailoring his lessons to address these gaps effectively. Over time, Ahmed noticed a remarkable improvement in his students' language skills. They were more confident in their speaking and writing abilities, and their enthusiasm for learning English grew exponentially. Through his innovative use of Edpuzzle, Teacher Ahmed not only transformed the way English was taught in his classroom, but also fostered a love for the language among his students, paving the way for their future success.